guys for tuning in. Flip over sewing method that I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. Welcome back to the vlog. Oh my gosh, I look a hot mess. I look like Meat Mill fresh out the, like, you know. Yeah, and my mom told me that I look like the son that she never had. Well, the son that the second son. You get what I'm saying. So now I need to take out my braids to do my hair. I will be back. Look at my shirt. Oh my god. I'm gonna go wash my hair now. It's a process. Ooh! Okay, so now my hair is washed and I look like a ragamuffin. For this hairstyle, we're gonna leave the front out and we're gonna braid it back because we're doing a sewing. Go ahead and just part that off. Went ahead and I parted my hair just in the front. I think I'm gonna just leave out just a little bit of the back. I just want it to be back there. I want to let the back grow out. I don't want to create any tension on that. Go ahead and braid that front part down so it's out of my way. Now this one is not going to be perfect because this part is basically going to be your leave out. I'm going to just go ahead and blow this out just a little bit to make sure I can have like a as fast as I can. Alright, so now I'm gonna start braiding down. The way I'm gonna braid it down is I'm gonna braid it back. Before I braid it back, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna part it like this. Down to the side so that I can get a braid this way and then a braid this way. Alright, so I braided down my hair. I had to go to sleep because I was too tired. But I'm going to show you guys the braid down, okay? So I have two braids in the front going to the back. This connects all the way to the back. This one connects all the way to the back. And the other one just goes straight back. As you can see, my braids are nice tight, but they're nice enough where it doesn't add too much tension onto my hair. So let's get this thing going. All right, so right now I'm just going ahead and checking to see how I want to do it. You know what I mean? So that when I go ahead and sew it, I'm good. I'm going to double weft it. For the back, I'm just going to start right here, bring it around to right there, and then continue doing the back portion. But I'm going to leave this and this alone. I'm going to bring it up to here, and I'm going to leave this front portion alone because I want that to be like the flip. Okay, so almost done, so I'm gonna catch you guys up on the progress. We just have this front portion left, so it goes like that, goes like that. Let's finish this up. so sorry. I might have to end up doing the video again, like to give more depth if you guys need it. But you guys seen the pattern of what I was doing. What I did was I went ahead and in the back, I put the first track like this, and then I just kept going like this. I kept bringing them around and bringing it like this. And then once I got to right here is when I went ahead and did the tracks on these. And then to finish it off, I added one straight across the front to hide the braid and to bring it very close to where the part is at. And so now it's time to style. See, it flips over really well. Curl the hair first, then go ahead and do the front portion really well. The only thing is that the texture is not my hair texture, but we're gonna make it work. I don't like it straight. I wish it was like more poofier on its own. Go ahead and add curls to it. So I turned on my flat iron and I put it to the highest heat. My clip's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and curl the rest and I'll be back. All right, so now I'm all done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the front. You can see my hair is in its natural state. You can see like the difference. And then I'm gonna take, thank God it's natural, Miracle Repair Curl Food Daily Moisturizer and just rub a little bit in it to give it some moisture. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it so I can get it sleek before I press it. I'm gonna go ahead and rub at my edges as well to make it nice and soft. Once you do that, you'll realize how your hair is not even like, it just needs moisture. You know what I'm saying? No matter your curl pattern, it just needs moisture and hydration. And it's been a minute since I wore a leave out, so pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. And then I'm gonna blow it, but when I blow it, I'm gonna do it downward. Get this bad boy. If you were ever in beauty school, you probably got a whole set of these. Yeah, I was in beauty school before, but that's a whole nother story. Now that I did that blowout, I'm gonna go ahead and use this so I could get that nice, sleek press. So we're gonna go ahead and add this piece, that way I can get a, you know, a finer grip on it. Okay, so everything is blown out and it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna part it in sections. Start with the back. Crimp it back, not too much, but just a little bit. Take out the hairs so I can start blending it. I'm too excited. You guys gotta tell me what kind of videos you want me to do. You know what I mean? I need to up my content. I don't feel like the quality has been there, and I've been slacking on my makeup videos. That's what grew my platform in the first place. Oh my gosh, would you look at these curls? When you flat iron sometimes and the ends just get, I wouldn't say trashy, but tangled. And comb it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out those ends. Ooh, look at this. I love how bouncy this is. Would you see that? And I'm gonna add some argan oil. trying to figure out which way I want it. Go ahead and do my edges. Okay, so I went and I did my edges off camera because, honey child, that was a whole thing with itself. Now I'm all done. I think it looks really cute. I'm still kind of feeling it out. Big proportions person, like, and I'll get so anal about it. I love that it's curly here. It needed to be curly all the way to the root. I think maybe if I had a one, I'd be able to achieve that. And then also, it's the kind of hair that it is. I should have did like a deep wave or something, but this was gifted. It looks really good though. I think for a first try, it's really good. This is my versatile technique, but it could move to this side if I wanted to. It's just, you see, like, my leave out. A bummer, a bummer. So I'm trying to fix it up so you guys can catch the vision. I promise you, when you guys do it yourself, you're gonna love it. If you use the proper hair according to your hair texture and also for the look that you want to achieve. For me, it's hard for me to get that silk press look. If I had the technique, which I'll learn, then I know that it would be able to seamlessly go into this. But also, I could use a kinky kind of curl or deep wave to give that texture that it needs. The final look. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share it if you like it. Other tips that you may have for me according to this hairstyle. And if you guys like it, if you don't like it, follow my social medias for more of me. Back with the next video soon.